Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you saw the previous video before this, then you know that I am about to apply my first wig.
Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Hey yo, I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana. And I'm still winning pocket.
I did not go all out and get like human hair because they are expensive, and not that, no, it is that. I'm not paying $400. That's how much the wig I was like interested in. That was human hair. That's how much it costs. $400. I would never. Do you hear me? Never pay $400 for hair. I don't do fake hair too much. I kind of like my real hair a little bit better, but I'm tired of like touching it and fooling with it. So I went and got a synthetic wig, and this wig is by Belle, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's Premium X lace wig. The style is March. Wow, how coincidental. That's weird. It's in the color 1B. The inches are, I have no clue because they're not saying. Wow. It's weird. That's really weird. Anywho, yeah. I got this from my local beauty supply store. And this is what it looks like coming out. When I tried it on, I just could not believe like I am about to be wearing a wig. I don't know. Wigs have not, now people wigs nowadays be looking like so nice, like so snatched and everything. So I'm like, okay, let me just ride this wig wave for about 2 days. It's like Christmas. Why am I so excited for this? Okay, let me get the scissors because it's not cooperating. Little tags and whatnot. First time applying a wig, and what is this? Nothing. Okay, so this is the part. I probably do need to pluck it, even though I have no clue what I'm doing, but I know that you pull them out one by one, either with tweezers or you can do it with your hand. But I'm gonna part this like some more because, okay, first let me get my hair situated. I'm not braiding my hair because I'm going to be taking this thing off at night, and I'm not doing all that braiding and stuff. So I'm going to part my hair. I have a black stocking cap and a nude one. I'm going to go with the nude. And I wasn't sure if I should use the Got to Be glue or Got to Be gel or whatever the hell it is, or my Ebin edge control. But I'm gonna go with the Got to Be. Okay. So to see how a real part looks. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail. Yeah, I know that I just kind of like curled my hair, But I'm just so tired of fooling with this. And I don't even have anything to put my hair in a ponytail with, so on my mental. Okay, so my hair is in a ponytail, and I am still drinking my same big sipper. I poured up another glass for this. Okay, so I have my part. Is this straight? Jesus. I don't think it really matters if it's straight, because you can't see it anyway, but I don't like short parts. And I don't know if I can pluck it. Like more in the back. I don't know how that goes as far as that, but I really don't like short parts, because then it doesn't look realistic. I really feel like I should have like flat-ironed my... That's why my hair is like doing the shit it's doing now. Here's my stocking cap. This is just so not me. Okay, I just want to make sure my part is out. I'm just brushing out my baby hairs. Foundation or concealer on it for it to match my skin. It's just so weird. This comes with 2 clips in the front, an adjustable strap, and a clip in the back. Definitely gonna pluck this. Okay, so let me put this on to see what's... Now I see people putting it on backwards, but oh, I need to apply the foundation, which I see them putting it like inside the wig. Do I want to put foundation or do I want to put... This is just crazy. Okay, I think I'm going to put my 360, the darker one. Oh. This is what I probably do. I'm gonna apply this to my hand, because I don't trust none of this shit. Now, let's apply it this way. And that's too dark. This is just crazy to me. Is that too dark? That's too dark. My scalp is not that dark. Why would I do that? Why? Okay, the parting is not that bad. Oh my gosh, this foundation. this is just not me. I want to take this off because this foundation is just way too dark, or concealer, and I kind of knew that before I did it and still did it any goddamn way. I don't even want to do this no more. I'm just doing the pulling method. Okay, now that I like fucked up the part and the color, I'm just gonna move along and try to make this thing look natural as possible. Oh, the shedding, I didn't see too much shedding. It's flyaways everywhere, but not too much shedding. Oh, I don't really like laying my baby hairs like even on my real hair with a toothbrush really anymore. I kind of do it with like a small tooth comb, but I'm going to go get a toothbrush anyway, just cause. So okay, so let's make this thing look natural as possible and lay these edges. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Got To Be Ultra Glued Invincible styling gel. I thought this was glue, like literally, but when I saw it in the store, I'm like, oh, okay, it's gel. I'm going to apply it with the toothbrush. I'm so nervous. Wait a minute. Something isn't right. Okay, I was taking this to blend it in a little bit more with my hair, so I'm going to take a razor like this and just cut that off. Okay. Oh, this is really like soft or something. This is not going to hold my hair. Oh no. No. I'll be back. Gonna go get my Ebin. Okay guys, I'm sorry. I had to lay these edges off camera because, you know, this is my first time and I had no clue what the hell I was doing. But how do I look? This is just like beyond me. I cannot believe I have on a wig. A full wig. Now, I've made my own like U-part wigs, but I had my hair out at the top. Like, so nobody ever even knew I had a wig on. But this is like a full like fake part and everything. Like, I feel so fake. A fake bitch. Fake bad bitch. A little bit. I feel like me with black hair, I look witchy. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. And I do not like this glue. It's like watery gel. I don't like it. So I use my 24-hour Ebin edge control, and I also picked up some Sandneck wrap strips just to lay my edges down, which I normally do it with a scarf, but I just wanted to do everything right for this wig. So I'm gonna tie one of these around my head. So let me before I tie this, let me show y'all what can be done with this, as far as I know. I can put it in a ponytail like this. I can put it in a ponytail like this, Oh, stuck to my earring. Like this, so I can wear it behind my ears like this. Or not. Giving me Cleopatra, Kim K vibes. Yeah, I don't know what else you can do with the damn wig. That looks weird. Maybe if you tie a scarf around it, people won't really notice that, but yeah, Brittany in her first wig, and I fucked up on the color of the part, but hopefully that wears off, or I probably like take it off and just do it again, or change the stocking cap around, because it's actually on the cap, the darker. So yeah, this is my final look from, you know, my previous video, and then added on my wig for the first time. Now I should have got my first wig, the brand, but they were like 100 and up, and I'm like, for my first wig, I'm not paying it. I'm not doing it. For fake hair, I'm not doing it. I don't even go to the hairdresser. Like, I will do my own hair before I go. Yes. Okay. I will do my own hair before I go to a hairdresser. So yeah, this is by who did I say it was by? Belle. That's Abelle. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Belle, whatever. But thank you guys for watching me fuck up on my first wig. Let me know what I should do next time in the comments. Let me know if it looks natural. Yeah, let me know. Say hi to my YouTube. Hi. Okay, see you. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There's just so much going on right now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And meet me back at my next video by hitting the bell, so you know like when I post my next video. So yeah, bye.
Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up.